Hey guys, so I know it's been a little while since I've made an update video, and I was partially waiting for my giveaway to end. Since it's ended, I'm going to announce the winner at the end of this video. Stay tuned. So what is this channel going to be about now in the future? Well, those of you that are savvy or have been paying much attention can tell from this guy right here behind me, the ANET A8, a $160 budget printer, is really where things are going to start here. Now, I've done quite a few prints, I've done a few builds, I've done many designs, and I have a lot of ideas coming up, and they're all going to be based around this printer. Plus there's a bonus, which will be coming Tuesday. 3 more days, and I'll have definitely some new stuff. Pretty cool stuff coming. So what am I currently working with? Well, I'll get into specifics in another video, but basically this $160 printer we've got here has an acrylic frame. So inherently I had to print off a couple of replacement parts because inevitably one broke on me almost immediately. That's before I even got it printing. So I had to have someone help me print off a piece and help me get up and running. Now I printed off numerous other things. They're slightly off frame over here. One you will see right there. And another is actually right there. Yeah. I'm not going to go into those right here, but you guys will get to see what that's all about, how I made them, and once I get Raspberry Pi set up with Octopi and a camera, I'll be able to do some time-lapse shots and get some really cool build videos and some other things. I'll go over some designs. Man, I tell you, I can't wait. This is going to be fun. So, we're going to announce the winner of the Raspberry Pi. Are you ready? Yeah, I know I am. The winner is Robert K. from Serbia. Man, that's a first for me. I haven't shipped anything to Serbia ever, I don't think. So that's a first. Congratulations to Robert K. Your package will be sent out. Well, can't do it Monday, it's a holiday, so it'll be sent out Tuesday. I hope to hear back. Let everyone know what you're going to do with it. If you've got a channel, maybe make a video or something. Go ahead and let us know what happens. Hope you enjoy it. For the rest of you, if you didn't win, better luck next time. Thank you for sticking around, signing up, subscribing, all this stuff that was required in the contest rules. Hopefully a lot of you weren't just here just for the contest. You actually would like to stick around for the content. I am keeping a close eye on my subscriber count because I kind of like to know who stays and who goes. We are currently up to 720 subscribers as of the last time that I looked. Really quickly, just skyrocket right past 700, right to 720, and it's probably going to keep going. I thank you guys very much for that. We are getting very close to our 1,000 subscriber goal. Once I'm monetized and I actually start getting some monthly income here, I can afford to do a little bit more with this guy and the surprise that will be coming on Tuesday. I'll let you guys know in an updated video probably near the end of that week what that is. I'll let you guys speculate on that, but it is very cool. So with this guy, I can now print various things off. So it's not official. I am going to eventually be starting up an Etsy store and probably make some listings on eBay. I'm not sure how exactly I want to do this, but I will be making some custom designs and prints, and I will sell those in order to help offset the cost of the printer, the filament, and the time and editing and all that kind of stuff that it takes in order to make this channel run. Now mind you, I do still have a full-time job, I have school, I have family, I have, there's stuff that I have in real life that kind of takes away from this more than I would like. I would like to get into this quite a bit more, but gotta start somewhere, and at 720 subscribers and growing, I think we're off to a very good start. And that's all thanks to you guys. I do appreciate what you do for me, even if it's just watching a video, leaving a comment, subscribing, liking a video. It's all cool to me. So, be sure to stick around because next week I'm going to have something interesting. I'm going to try to get videos edited and put out once a week if I can. It depends on how much time I have to do recording and printing and stuff like that. But I will try to get videos out every either Saturday or Sunday. So be sure to stick around. If you haven't already, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. And again, congratulations, Robert K. Hope to see what you do with that new Raspberry Pi. Good night, everybody. Thanks for watching.